Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the real user review on Butterfly Hippo 2 liters tabletop wet grinder, which is of 150 watts. It comes with shockproof ABS body, and this is the overview. And in this video, I'm going to show you how well this is grinding the batter, and not only that, I'll tell you the user experience throughout this 2 years. So yeah, the user has just for the sample to test. On this video we'll check the performance of this butterfly hippo wet grinder, and I'll also tell you the amount of time it takes to make this dal a fine paste. And the user purchased this like 4200, and now I'll show you the prices for this time both on Flipkart and Amazon. I'll show you in between the video, and it takes like around 15 to 20 minutes or 15 minutes to make it a fine paste, fine batter, you can say fine batter. And the sound you can observe, this is what the grinding sound when it is working. And see here, this is easy to operate. You can add water in between so that it gets into the fine paste, and you can also cover this drum with stainless steel drum with the lid which they provided with transparent lid. I'll also show you by placing the transparent lid on top of this. And see, with two stones the operation is very good. Let's keep this video aside. Let's check the online prices. Currently, this was 2 years back, the 4000 rate what I have mentioned, the user has got this. And see here, Butterfly Hippo, this is the one which I am showing you all this time, Butterfly Hippo. And see here, this comes with 10 kgs, nearly 11 kgs sort of thing, and stainless steel, the drum and everything, and it works with 150 watts power consumption, and number of jars are 1. Okay, yeah. And this is on the Amazon. Let us check on the Flipkart also. And here the Flipkart, just a small change. This is Butterfly Rhino, not the Hippo, but all the other features are exactly same or similar, you can say. This is also consumes 150 watts of the power, and it comes with two stones. The build quality and everything are similar. See here, power consumption 150 watts, and the weightage is 11.24 kg. Yeah, almost similar, and the price is also similar, 3600. Maybe the price has been reduced within this 2 years. So let us get back to the video now, and let us check the final performance of the batter, what it is going on now. And usually this is like half kg sort of dal they added. Now they are doing this batter half kilo, and this is of total 2 liter, you can say. So now you can consider this as half liter. Yeah, the batter preparation, and the user added a little bit of water in between, and this is the transparent lid what I told you. And this is the side view when you keep the lid, and this is the rotation you can observe. Yeah, and the final result I am going to show you. The very fine batter is prepared. If you don't want this fine batter, you can make a coarse grinding also. That is absolutely within your operation by adding the water and adjusting the water and taking the batter in between. Means not up to this point. It's like 15 minutes grinding, 10 to 15 minutes grinding. And one more thing, in this end of the video I'll show you how you can remove these stones for cleaning. As I said earlier, this is easy cleaning, so we can take out the rods actually. I'll show you that part also. See, you just need to rotate the top thing so that you can remove the rods. The two grinding rods you can remove, so that it would be easy for the cleaning purpose. Yeah, ideal for family members who are like 4 to 5 members.